In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up excess lines from shapes in AutoCAD. Whether you're working on a simple drawing or a complex design, tidying up those extra lines can make all the difference in creating a polished final product. Let's dive in. To start, we'll be utilizing one of AutoCAD's fundamental tools, the trim command. This tool helps us efficiently remove those unnecessary lines in our design. On your command line, you'll want to type in trim, or if you prefer shortcuts, just type the letters T and R and then press enter. Once you do that, your cursor will change, indicating that you're in trim mode. Next, it's time to identify which excess lines you want to remove. Simply click on these lines to trim them away. You'll see that as soon as you click on an unwanted line, it disappears, leaving your drawing cleaner and more organized. But the trim command doesn't just stop there. It has a few more useful features that enhance its functionality even further. For example, you don't have to limit yourself to trimming just straight lines. You can also click to trim arcs or curves that may be cluttering your design. This feature is particularly handy when dealing with complex shapes that include curved elements. Another great feature of the trim command is that you can draw an imaginary line to trim multiple lines at once. Simply click on one point in your design, move your cursor to another point, and click again. This action creates an invisible line that will automatically trim off any other lines it intersects. It's a powerful way to streamline your editing process, especially in drawings with intricate overlapping lines. One thing to keep in mind is the importance of zooming into the areas you are working on. This not only helps you see all the details, but also ensures greater precision when selecting which lines to trim. It's all about keeping your work tidy and reducing any chances for error. So make sure you're using that zoom feature to get a closer look. And that's all there is to it. Using the trim command effectively can significantly enhance the clarity and precision of your AutoCAD projects. By eliminating those unwanted lines, your designs will not only be cleaner, but will also reflect a higher level of professionalism. Remember, keeping your drawings neat is essential and can positively impact the overall workflow and presentation of your project. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on cleaning up excess lines in AutoCAD. Keep practicing, and you'll be trimming like a pro in no time. Until next time,